Okay, so this was the question, right? What is the acceleration of the block and trolley system as shown in the figure? If the mu means, this mu is what? Limiting coefficient of friction, isn't it? So this is 0.04. What is the tension in the string? G you have to take as 10 meter per second square and neglect the string mass. So when it is acceleration is there, means it will be downward, right? So this force must be, so here first of all we have to consider that because this pulley is smooth, so that's why this tension will be, this part of the string has the tension T, then this part of the string will also have the tension T. Okay, so the tension in AB part is equal to tension in BC part. So consider 3 kg mass. So free body diagram for 3 kg mass I am doing. So this is your 3 kg. I have drawn the free body diagram. So this is called free body diagram. Okay, a free body diagram. This is your mg, this is your tension. So because it is moving downward, so this force must be greater than this force, right? Then only it can move down. So mg minus of T, that will be the net force acting downward, is equal to which mass is getting accelerated? This 3 kg mass. So m into a, Newton's second law. Okay, and then from there you substitute the value, we are getting this equation number 1 written. Now consider 20 kg mass. Consider 20 kg mass. Okay, now you see 20 kg mass means this is your surface. On this surface you have this block, right? This is 20 kg, and here 20 kg. This is your string, so this is your T, right? And here, because the motion is in this direction, right? So this, if this is accelerated by A, then this will also be accelerated by A, isn't it? Because the same system, no? Now here you will have this mg, here you will have the, so the A in the here you will have this normal reaction N. Okay, because motion is in this direction, so friction force will be acting in this direction, right? This is the friction force. So friction force is mu, this is mu times N, isn't it? So this force will be greater than this force, right? So T minus of, okay, first you will find this N. So N is equal to mg, because there is no vertical motion, so what will happen? Vertical force will be 0, summation of vertical force will be 0. So N is equal, N minus of mg is equal to 0 or not? This is the summation of vertical force, right? This is summation of vertical force is equal to 0. From there only we are getting this. Okay, so N is equal to what? mg. So N is equal to 20 into g is 10. So N is equal to 200 Newton, right? 200 Newton. Okay, now here it is, motion is there, so T minus FC will be what? M into A, because which motion, which block is moving? This 20 kg block, so that mass we have to take. So T minus FC is nothing but mu N is equal to mass is 20 kg into acceleration, right? So T minus mu is 0.04 mu N, it is actually mu N, and we have got 200 is equal to 20A, right? So T minus this 200 means 2 zeros, it will get cancelled, so 8, isn't it, is equal to 20A. Am I right? Don't write this is just we are finding the magnitude. Now T is equal to how much? 20A plus of 8, isn't it? This is equation number 2. What was equation number 1? Tell me. T is equal to 30 minus 3A. So minus 3A minus 3A plus 30, right? Equation number 2 1. So if I equate both this, what I will be getting, or if I subtract it, this minus of this. Okay, so we can say 1 and 2 implies 1 and 2 implies what? 20a plus 8 is equal to minus 3a plus 30, am I right? So this gives me what? 23. A is equal to 30 minus of 8 is how much? 30 minus 8 is 22. Am I right?
Yes.
So A is equal to nothing but 22 by 23 meter per second square. So this is your acceleration. Okay, downward. This will be downward, right? This is your downward. Clear? Okay. Good. Second square, no? Meter per second square. Okay. Okay. Now we have to find out that what is the tension T. We have to find out, isn't it? So T is equal to what? T is equal to 20A plus of 8, right? So T is equal to 20 into A is 22 by 3, 23 plus of 8. Okay. So this one, now you solve it. How much this 22 by 23 is how much?
0.96.
0.96 plus of 8. So T is equal to 9.6 into 2 plus of 8, right? So this gives me 18 and 19.2 plus of 8. So T is 27.2 Newton. Okay, 27.2 Newton is the answer. Got it?